Do you like mango with ginger, lemon, and rhubarb mixed with sweet jasmine and violet? Then look no further because I'll be reviewing Mango Ice by Gulf Orchid. My name is Khaludi. Let's get straight into this.
Going into this, I had very high expectations as I'm the type of person who treads very carefully when it comes to sweet smells. I can't really stand sugary or candy-like scents, but I have been meaning to find a fresh mangoey fragrance for a long time. So after checking this one out and after a few sprays, I did not regret it at all because when that opening note hit, it was just So for the longest time, I've been trying to find a mango scented smell that did not have the taste of a mango, so that kind of like sugary, yogurty, creamy kind of vibe to it. I knew. Instead, I've been trying to find the scent of a mango peel, or like if you ever left out a mango on a warm day and you go into the kitchen, you can smell that mango. That's what I've been looking for. After constantly being recommended to my feed, I figured I'd just buy into the hype, got it shipped, and honestly people, it delivered. For the people who live in the Middle East or have grown up in the Middle East, the best way that I can describe this in terms of its consistency and its texture is like Tang. It has that fizzy, sweet, punchy kind of taste to it going on, which I really do enjoy, right? It's not overwhelming. It's, it's not too fruity, it's not too sweet, right? It's just there balanced. And so with that tropical, fizzy, sweet and punchy mango to it, the vibes that this is giving me is that you're out in the Caribbean in the summer where there's clear blue waters, beautiful white sands, and you're just drinking coconut milk out of a coconut kind of thing. Now, in terms of its labeling, the only thing that I could find was on Fragrantica that said that this is for men and for women, and honestly, yeah, I do see this being put on a guy or a girl. As long as you are into tropical sweet smells, then this fragrance is for you. In terms of its projection and longevity, I got some in my mouth. This could easily stay on you for a good, I would say 3, 4, maybe even 5 to 6 hours, depending on how many sprays you put on, I would say. And I guess it has like a moderate projection to it. The recommended amount of sprays you should put on, depending on where you put it on, I would say is about 3 to 5, maybe 2 to 4. But if you do live in a hot country like I do, then I would say tone that down to about 2 to 4, maybe even 1 to 3. The only real issue I have with this is that it is still kind of a sweet smell, and depending on how many sprays I put on, I could just get overwhelmed by the sweetness and just get a reaction out of it, right?
Other than that,
Overall, from pricing, packaging to performance, I would give this out of 10 Khaludis a solid 8 to even 9 out of 10 Khaludis.